you have the Samsung Galaxy A03s and you want to find out if your phone is factory unlocked, which means you can use it with other carriers. So this specific phone is branded by Metro by T-Mobile. So the easiest way to find out if your phone is unlocked or unlockable is go to the app and then find the network unlock button. Touch that. And this phone has already been unlocked. We can see that network lock status, it's unlocked. Your phone can be used within any compatible service provider. But let's say that you're buying this used, for example, and the T-Mobile apps are gone or they're expired or something like that. Let me show you the other way to check to see if this phone is network unlocked to be able to use with other carriers. Go to Settings, touch Connections, touch More Connection Settings, Network Unlock. View your phone's network lock status and check whether your phone is eligible to be unlocked. Touch that, and it gives us the same screen and the same information. Obviously, if your phone, this would be highlighted, the permanent unlock would be highlighted if it was still unlocked and there was an opportunity to lock it. And obviously, depending on the status of the phone, they have a number of requirements. You have to have the phone on, you have to be in good standing, the phone can't be lost or blacklisted, and they'll be able to unlock it for you in the future. And then the way to test that is you get your SIM tool, open up your SIM tray, take out your Metro chip, and let's make sure that it is unlocked with Verizon. So we'll put the Verizon in, and we're going to look up here. We're going to look up here to see if we get any ball, and we get bars. So let's see if we can make a practice phone call. And the phone connects.
Prior to ordering, please press 1.
There we go. And that's how to check to see if your Samsung Galaxy A03s is network or factory unlocked or network unlocked so that you can use it with other carriers. Hey, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.